What's up, folks? It is July 15, July 15, Monday. Uh, Asia just opened about 26 minutes ago. And we can see that price just broke above the 4-hour candle here. I'm thinking about just taking a stab at it just because it's right. It just broke up above it. And as you can see here, guys, we're in the brand new 100,000 Express account. So this will be our first trade in the Express account here. Move up. Price try to retrace back up. Failed. Now we're at the neckline. So we're basically like a double bottom here with a neckline breakout, as well as a 4-hour breakout. But again, like I mentioned yesterday, I just hate trading right off the open of Asia. I don't know, man. I feel like it's always so unpredictable. You don't know if this is going to hold or not. So I'm really hesitant to trade this. But it would be nice to catch a move all the way up here if it just started to creep up all the way up throughout the whole session. So kind of conflicted. Where is my music? But yeah, that's what we're looking at here. I'm debating if I should even enter this because honestly, like I feel like the minute I enter this shit, it's gonna fucking just tank. Oh, but then again, we do have this pivot point here for protection as well. So let's just take a look and see how far 25 ticks goes, because I typically like to take 25 ticks worth of risk. Let's just see, man. Let's just wait for a pullback. I mean, it closed above it. Let's see if there's a pullback, some sort of decent pullback. If there is, let's see if we can get. Yeah, I mean, basically what would have to happen here is price would have to go all the way up here, pull back to here, so that it corresponds with the golden zone as well as this previous area of resistance, and for it to continue upwards. So that's the most ideal option, given that we're in a right time frame, meaning that it's not right at the open of Asia, as well as being able to get those confluences in, right? Previous resistance becoming support. You got the golden zone. You got the correct time frame in terms of what time it is. So those three things would be ideal. Or you could also just, some traders will just go enter right off the breakout. So a little bit more risky. But for me, I really do like to wait for the pullback. So let's just be patient. It's the first trade in XFA. We have plenty of time, so I guess we'll just be patient here for this. If I can just get at least some sort of, actually, I mean, this was kind of like a pullback, but obviously I don't like it as a pullback really because it's an indecision. So let's see. Let's just see how it goes. Yeah, I mean, like if this were to form into like a straight evening star, potentially just go straight fall. Gotta use the bathroom real quick. Oh, good thing. Yo, good thing I fucking waited for that shit. Yo. Yo, that's exactly what I was fucking talking about, man. Look at that fucking pullback, dude. Right off the Asia Open is always a bad move. See? Man, you fucking enter that long there, you've been fucking fucked. Okay, so we gotta pull back. There's just no support here, you know. I mean, you could argue this right here as a potential support. Let's bring this down and see what the true zone is. Okay. So yeah, so that would be 647. $647 to the 615 quarter. Okay. That was exactly what I was talking about. But see, like yesterday, like right off the gate, right off the open, that motherfucker just went whoop, just fucking straight flew. See? The market be doing that shit, man. I do like longs up here though. All the way up here though, dude. All the way to the top. I do like this long. Look at this shit, 500 ticks, dude. Look at all this traffic. Oh, look, all this space. Look at all this room to the upside. You literally have a ton of room to the upside here, dude. Honestly, like I'd be happy to just let the shit ride like the whole day, dude. If it were to come up here and show significant buying pressure to the upside, definitely would be interested in letting the shit ride all the way, dude, to the top. Is this all-time highs here? Oh shit. Oh no, it's not all-time highs. Yeah. I like longs here, dude, actually. Yeah, the fact that it broke this high, I like. I would love to let this ride all the way to the top, dude. Oh, you know what? Let's 583 spot 75. 583 spot 75. 583 spot 75. Okay. There we go. Dude, honestly, if I can just fucking let this shit, just fucking ride it, this all the way up here, dude. 500 ticks, bro. $500 ticks, that's 5 bands. You make 5 bands riding that shit all the way up there with two contracts. Straight 5 bands in the day, dude. One trade. 5 bands, dude. Yeah, you know what? I think this is gonna. I think after hours brought it all the way up. Oh, you know what? This might tap settlement though. This might tap settlement, dude. Trending, pull back, pull back, retrace, took a dump, found support, found buyers, broke the high, pulling back. Yeah, I think this is gonna go upwards actually. Found buyers down there and broke the high. That's all I need to know actually. Yeah. I'm actually going to check in back with you guys once an opportunity actually opens up. So I will be back. Peace. And I'm back. So apparently, I didn't get a chance to record the Express Funded account for today. I had 2 different recordings. One was just kind of like an initial recording when I was kind of just looking at the market and seeing what the potential setups would be. It recorded that, but then when I actually went back and recorded the second session, for some reason it didn't record that one, which is super odd. I'm pretty sure I hit the record button. And actually, you know what? It's so weird. When I log into StreamYard, I can see the recording, but then when I try to download it, it actually won't, it wouldn't allow me to download it. It kept getting an error for some reason, which is super weird. So anyway, I won't be able to. Yeah, look at that, dude. 6 hours. It says it right here. Asia 2. I'll show you guys in a minute, but yeah, let me just kind of, I don't know if see, the thing about this is that it won't let me flip. I have to like stop the recording and record it. Anyway, so yeah, it wouldn't let me download it, but I can see that it recorded it, but it won't let me download it. I wonder if I just go ahead and switch to a paid account, it'll allow me to do it. That might be the reason. 6.5 hours. Yeah, anyway, yeah, see? It recorded it 6 hours and 20 minutes. But for some reason, like because I have to download it on the phone because that's what I use as an editing software. And so yeah, every time I try to download it, it says like parse error or something like that. Anyway, I'll just try to get the paid account and then try to see if it works. But anyway, maybe I'll just talk about it and just kind of go over it through the screen here. But yeah, so I pretty much hit daily loss limit on the Express Funded account today. The price action was just not good for my particular strategy. I was trying to catch at least 150 ticks today, where I mean I would have gone for, you know, maybe like 100 and sized up on contract, but like I just didn't even get like the initial gain. Like I didn't get initial traction at all to even add into my position to be able to size up. So you know, it was just kind of a tough day for the Express account. So hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to do better. It was just a lot of lack of follow through, and you know, well, I mean, I'll be honest though, like I wasn't going off of a 4-hour time frame today, because it kind of, and I'll explain in a bit. Okay, let's just hop in the charts. So here's my Express account. Ugh, that's so painful, man. First day, fucking negative $2 grand. That's super painful. Anyway, what had happened today, I had thought that I was able to, I thought I was gonna be able to share with you guys, but basically where I got creamed today was basically this particular area here, because here you actually have, this was actually a 4-hour zone. There was actually a zone here for me, right here. This is actually a zone for me. And so when it broke above this zone, I was trying to go long. And as you can see, I think I went long here somewhere. Like, yeah, like right here. I'm pretty sure I went long. I went long. Oh, you know what? Let's see if we could add the where is it? Chart, show. Oh, here you go. Show. The only thing I don't like about this is that it's so messy. Yeah, see, look at that shit, dude. It looks like crap. It looks like crap. Anyway, I'm gonna just talk through it. So transparency purposes, basically what I did was I was trying to go long, and this is a zone right here too, right? This became a zone, a support. Oops. That became a support. So this is the 4-hour, which is my main type of trigger to enter. And so when it didn't hold at this level, I was looking for a pullback that I can get into. So obviously the next available area for a pullback is right here, because here we have support that can turn into resistance. I'm sorry, here we have resistance that can turn into support, which it actually did for a little bit. So here I was going long, and so I was going long, and I think for a moment it was actually going pretty well, and then all of a sudden, boom! As you can see, it took me out because it took out this low, and so I got wiped out there. That was trade one. And then once I started to see this price action, when I started to see this price action start to push up, and then I saw this morning star, I was like, okay, let me hop in again. So I hopped in again, boom, got creamed again. So that was trade two. And then when it fucking broke through here, I'm pretty sure I got short right here. Call it a dumb move. Did an impulse short right here. Fucking, it went down, and I'm pretty sure I got clapped right here too. So I got clapped on two longs, and I got clapped on a short. And then I'm pretty sure I probably got long again somewhere here again for whatever dumb reason. But anyway, I'm pretty sure I got clapped. And I'm pretty sure I went short here as well too. But anyway, and then when this triangle started to form here, this is where I actually went I went long right here. When I saw this forming, I was like, okay, let me get in on the break. So I remember that I had a stop that was literally right here. And so when I was long right here, I think I went long on this bullish engulfing. So anyway, when I went long right here, my stop was literally like right here, and it kept like fucking with my stop. It was like 2 ticks. I was like 2 ticks away from getting stopped out. And at this point, I think I was probably down like 1700 already. So here I was already down 1700. And then luckily when this shit popped off, I was like, okay, great. I think this is what's gonna bring my account back to life. Well, apparently not. But anyway, so when it broke above here, I was like, okay, we're gonna continue upwards. And so that's when, you know, I held my position, and then I put my stop right here. And as you can see, it was like a perfect target for fucking this pullback. But luckily, when this pullback came, I actually was in profit. I think roughly like $100 or something. So I was able to just, you know, get a little bit of profit. So then when this got stopped out, I went back in, and then now my entry was worse, right? So my entry was somewhere around here, waiting for it to go upside, which obviously never did. And so here I was, I think this is where I was taken out right here. Somewhere like right here. I think, yeah, I think I was taken out here. And so that was it. That was the demise of the XFA for today. So pretty much got chopped up, or I don't know if you want to call that getting chopped up, but basically was just trying to catch longs that just didn't materialize. Caught this long here for small profit, and then just kind of no follow through with this price action here. You know, so no follow through with the price action here until it ultimately fucking melted. And whereas I actually this is actually where in my other video that you'll see me posting, I'll talk about the 50K combines that I traded after I lost my XFA, but I'll talk about that in the other video. But as far as this video here, yeah, this is exactly where I got clapped. Then that was the end. So yeah, I mean, with that said, you know, it was pretty bad and demoralizing, to say the least. But you know, I've been able to make it back from certain drawdowns like this in the past, and I'm pretty confident. I'm not trying to be too overconfident, but I'm pretty confident I can make it back tomorrow. Hopefully I can bag a 3K day tomorrow to cover the loss, as well as bring in some profit. But we'll see what the market gives us. And yeah, that's pretty much the recap for the Express account. I mean, we can look at the performance stats for it. The fucking horrible ass performance stats for it. Yo, how fucking shitty is this fucking report? I don't even think I had a winning trade at all today. Did I? Total trades. Oh, I did have a winning trade. Best trade 192. So I'm 1 for 1 on my risk reward. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, 17 trades. Doesn't say exactly how many winning trades though. Okay. That's probably the worst win rate I've ever had in my whole trading journey. So anyway, that's what I'm looking at today with the XFA. So I basically fucking ate it. But yeah, check out my next video about the 50K combine, and you can hear about the wins from that for today. All right, check you guys out later. Peace.